What is Bitcoin and how does it work? Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will look at what is Bitcoin and how it works, so keep watching to find out. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. So let us take a look at all the details about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, or a digital currency, is a type of money that is completely virtual. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services, but not many shops accept Bitcoin yet, and some countries have banned it altogether. However, some companies are beginning to buy into its growing influence. In October last year, for example, the online payment service PayPal announced that it would be allowing its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. The physical Bitcoins that you see in photos are a novelty. They would be worthless without the private codes printed inside them. How does Bitcoin work? A Bitcoin wallet app on a smartphone. Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file, which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. People can send Bitcoins or part of one to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoins to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies, or undoing transactions. Why do people want Bitcoins? Some people like the fact that Bitcoin is not controlled by the government or banks. People can also spend their Bitcoins fairly anonymously. Although all transactions are recorded, nobody would know which account number was yours unless you told them. In an online chat with social media users in January 2021, the world's richest man Elon Musk said he was a big supporter of Bitcoin. He even went as far as to change his Twitter bio to #Bitcoin. He has repeatedly shown his support to online currencies in recent years and caused major movements in their values due to his own personal wealth and influence. This particular endorsement led to the value of Bitcoin to rise significantly. Can Bitcoin be converted to cash? Bitcoin can be exchanged for cash just like any asset. There are numerous cryptocurrency exchanges online where people can do this, but transactions can also be carried out in person or over any communications platform, allowing even small businesses to accept Bitcoin. There is no official mechanism built into Bitcoin to convert to another currency. Nothing inherently valuable underpins the Bitcoin network, but this is true for many of the world's most stable national currencies since leaving the gold standards such as the US dollar and UK pound. What is the purpose of Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created as a way for people to send money over the internet. The digital currency was intended to provide an alternative payment system that would operate free of central control but otherwise be used just like traditional currencies. Are Bitcoins safe? The cryptography behind Bitcoin is based on the SAH-256 algorithm designed by the U.S. National Security Agency. Cracking this is, for all intents and purposes, impossible, as there are more possible private keys that would have to be tested than there are atoms in the universe, estimated somewhere between 1,078 to 1,082. There have been several high-profile cases of Bitcoin exchanges being hacked and funds being stolen, but these services invariably store the digital currency on behalf of customers. What was hacked in these cases was the website and not the Bitcoin network. In theory, if an attacker could control more than half of all the Bitcoin nodes in existence, then they could create a consensus that they owned all Bitcoin and embed that into the blockchain. But as the numbers of nodes grows, this becomes less practical. A realistic problem is that Bitcoin operates without any central authority. Because of this, anyone making an error with the transaction on their wallet has no recourse. If you accidentally send Bitcoins to the wrong person or lose your password, there is nobody to turn to. Of course, the eventual arrival of practical quantum computing could break it all. Much cryptography relies on mathematical calculations that are extremely hard for current computers to do, but quantum computers work very differently and may be able to execute them in a fraction of a second. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any fantastic video from us.